Hi, this is Prasanna from Wave Academy. Welcome to Matlab Basics Edition. In this video, we are going to discuss how to use knob in Simulink. I am straight away moving on to the Matlab. First, I am opening the Simulink page. Let me create a blank model. It is always a good practice to save the file first. Let me save it. So knob is a component which is available under a dashboard. Okay, under the dashboard you will be having a lot of components: automotive indicator lamps, customized blocks, gauges, pressure gauges, and half gauge, push button. You'll be having a lot of options. Okay, in that one I'm going to select a knob. So if you look at this knob, it don't have any input ports and output ports. But if you select any of the component which is available under Simulink, for an example, if you take a derivative block, or if you take a scope, or take a constant, see all the blocks, sometimes it may have only input port or only output port, sometimes it may have both. But if you look at this block, this is nothing but it is a knob. It don't have any input ports and output ports. Then how to connect it? That's a question here. So if you want to connect the knob with any of the elements, first you have to connect that knob with that particular element. Let me take a constant block here. And a display. So this is nothing but it is a constant block. So hereafter, once I connected this knob with the constant block, whatever you are changing the parameters, whatever the parameter you are changing in the knob, that will be reflected in the constant block. So for that, what you need to do, just double click the knob. You can see that select blocks in the Simulink editor to connect tunable parameters and variables to this knob. So now you have to select the particular block. I'm going to select this constant, or simply select the constant. Automatically you can see that constant block is visible here. So now enable this connect button. Knob will be automatically connected with the constant. So let me take this minimum value as -30. For an example I'm taking. Let it be maximum value is 30. Just apply and working. So hereafter, whatever the changes you are doing in the knob, that will be reflected in this block. Let me go to stop time and I'm making it as an infinite run. So run it. If you see, I'm changing the position of knob. You can able to see that whatever the values I'm changing, that will be reflected in the display through the constant block. Okay, it's -30. So let me place it here. Let me it's a 15. Okay. So this is the way you can work with the knob. I hope this video will greatly help you to know about how to work with knob in Simulink. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to the channel. If you have any queries, kindly drop a mail to this mail ID. Thank you.